is a common practice to rush to hospitals even if the thermometer touches 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But have you ever wondered as to how our rural folks manage fever and other ailments? Well, here's an interesting video on an indigenous remedy to treat people in sync with nature. Suppose there's a small cut on hand. The villagers have a simple remedy. All they do is pluck a particular leaf, rub it on the palm, squeeze it, and the extraction is then mixed with slaked lime, and the leaves are tied to the injured area. After 3-4 days, the area almost heals miraculously.
ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. 4 ದಿವಸ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
All the minor injuries are managed in this traditional way only. They visit hospitals only in case of major injury or heavy bleeding. In case of fever, instead of taking antibiotics and other medications which have proven side effects, the villagers catch hold of a particular species of ant which bites and urinates on the body. The fever subsides in no time and the infected person gets back to normalcy.
ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದರೆ ಕುಚ್ಚಿಗಿಳಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮರ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು 10-12 ಮೈಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಿಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ. ಕಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಜ್ವರಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
Well, isn't it a great way of using nature to heal themselves? Our bodies are in sync with nature and it is waiting to heal us in its miraculous ways. All we need to do is revive our inner connection with nature and find balance.